In this lesson, I am going to show you how to change eye colors in Premiere Pro. So right here with the clip on the timeline, I'm going to head over to Effects and search for Color Balance RGB. And then click and drag the effect onto the clip on the timeline. And then I'm going to head over to Effects Controls. Within Effects Controls, I'm going to head over to Color Balance and then click on the Create Ellipse Mask button. And then you are going to place the mask around the eye. To do a perfect job, you are going to want to zoom in and then properly shape the mask around the eye. After doing that, you're going to have to track the mask. So head over to Effects Controls and click on Track Selected Mask Forward. And then when the tracking is done, under Color Balance, you're going to modify the red, green, and blue values to change the color of the eye. To apply the effects on the other eye, you can duplicate or copy and paste the color balance effect. Click on the mask on any one of them to select it, and then you can simply click and drag the mask onto the other eye. And then make the necessary adjustment that needs to be done. Get rid of all the tracking keyframes and track it again. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.